This small, thin vessel is decorated with drape-like folds in the vessel body. The vessel is made the normal way, the bulbous body cooled, and the thin bulbous vessel body softens first, and if it's held downward and then spun with centripetal force, the glass is forced into these small drape-like folds. The bottom is flattened. The vessel is transferred to the punty and opened.